Welcome to the Country Kitchen Recipe Planner and new journaling kit created by Polka Art Studio. Let's start with our beautifully designed journaling pages, each one with plenty of space to write and reflect. Stay organized with functional layouts that include trackers, helpful inserts, and recipe prompts to keep everything at your fingertips. The set includes rustic, vintage-inspired decorative papers to bring warmth and charm to your projects. Plus, enjoy extra embellishments like tags, labels, pockets, and more to add the perfect finishing touches to every page. You will also find dedicated recipe separators, help you organize each cooking category with ease and style, from baking to soups and beyond. The style of this kit is cozy farmhouse rustic, with soft textures, warm tones, and charming vintage details that make every page feel like home. It's inspired by country kitchens, handwritten recipes passed down through generations, and the joy of gathering around the table. You can use this kit to create a personalized recipe journal, a beautiful cooking planner, or a memory-keeping project filled with family favorites. We hope you love creating with this kit as much as we loved designing it. Grab your Country Kitchen recipe planner in the description below and have fun crafting.